Well, we're very fortunate in the college to be the lead partner in Skills Academy Wales, South West, and we've just returned now from a Welsh language group meeting in the Graig campus in Llanelli, where we've engaged with the members of our consortium, and we've been discussing how to further progress engagement with the language. We're talking about setting targets, about shared resources, and to have a consistency right across our members so that Welsh learners can engage with the language and have an equal support whichever member of the consortium that they actually learn through, if you like. Well, the college brands all of its promotional material with the Welsh language. There are Welsh language translations which are available, and I think that over the last few years that the environment has changed in the college. If you walk into the college through the atrium, you can see a lot of bilingual resources in terms of signage, in terms of student work. I know that in some induction sessions, particularly with my A-level students, some of those activities involve support from the Welsh language tutors in order to produce material which is bilingual. And I think that that's a very positive development in terms of the learner experience, and certainly at an early stage in their programme flags up the importance of the language in all aspects of their learning, I think.